Namaste, children. We have studied social science. Social science is the science of society, in which we have studied first chapter of class 8, resources, utilization and development. Now, in history section, I always say in course of teaching the students that history past politics and politics present history. Now we will study about the modern world. Students, we have studied about the historical event of ancient period in class 6, historical events of medieval period in class 7. Now we will study the historical events of modern period India. And everyone knows that after the death of Aurangzeb, who has been considered as the last great ruler of Mughal Empire, modern period started. Modern period started in India in 18th century, and in 19th century, the revolt of 1857 and the formation of Indian National Congress has been the main historical events. Some important events that took place in the 20th century India was the formation of Muslim League in 1906, Home Rule League in 1916, partition of Bengal in 1904. These were some of the important events of 20th century. In 20th century, 1947, on 15th August 1947, we achieved our independence. But it is a matter of great concern that India was divided into two parts, India and Pakistan. And Kashmir has been a bone of contention between India and Pakistan for a long time. In recent years, when Narendra Modi government once again came in power, now this Kashmir issue has been resolved and Article 370 has been revoked by the government of India. Now we will study some of the important sources to know the history of modern period. Out of them, the important sources are: first, British papers. Everyone knows that Britishers made many laws to rule over Indians, in that Morley Minto reforms. You will be surprised to know that Morley Minto was not a reforms, instead it was a trick to divide India on communal grounds. And the report of Simon Commission of 1929, Government of India Act 1935 have been some important documents, British documents, which give us a lot of information about the history of modern period. Second, letters, writings and speeches. Letters, writings and speeches of different personalities have also been the source to know the history of modern period. Who doesn't know the slogan raised by Bal Gangadhar Tilak? Freedom is our birthright. Subhash Chandra Bose said, "I give me blood, I will give you freedom." Different speeches made by different personalities has also been the source to know the history of modern period. Gandhi Smriti near Rajghat has been the greatest museum on Gandhiji. Nearly 60,000 books and 6,000 original photographs of Gandhiji has been located there. Newspapers, London Times, Bombay Times, and different vernacular newspapers have also been the source to know the history of modern period. Many books has also been the source to know the history of modern period. Books written by Mahatma Gandhi, My Experiment with Truth, Unhappy Indians by Lala Rajpat Rai, Anand Math by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee has also been the source of inspiration to know the history of modern period. Internet and database has also been the source to know the history of modern period. People's monuments, artifacts such as the Victoria Terminus, now known as Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, Gateway of India Mumbai, India Gate Delhi, has also been the source to know the history of modern period. This is all about the different sources to know the history of modern period. That is the end of this chapter. Thanks for watching.